Hello, namaste. Here I come with another recipe of mine, turmeric tea, Haldi ki chai. Turmeric is very good and rich in antioxidant. It's anti-inflammatory. It helps fight diseases. It aids in weight loss, and it has numerous health benefits. So let's look at the ingredients that we would require to make the healthy turmeric tea, immunity boosting tea. Haldi powder. You can also take fresh haldi if it's available. I did not have it, so I took the powder. I would use the ginger, fresh ginger. You can also use ginger powder. Here I have some fresh lemon skin, the lemon juice, thinly sliced lemon, and black pepper powder. So let's begin to make the tea. I have taken 1 glass of water and I have put it to boil in the kettle. The kettle is heat compliant, so we don't have to worry about it. To this I shall add the lemon skin and fresh ginger. We'll just allow it to boil a little and then we shall shift it to a cup. Our water is ready. Now to this we shall add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, freshly ground pepper. You can choose your flavors wisely and according to your taste. This always helps me, and this is the recipe that I always follow. Some coconut oil. Instead of coconut oil, you can use ghee as well, and lemon juice. Our tea is ready. We shall now just give it a mix and shall sieve it. I can feel the freshness. I can feel the fragrance. Wow. Just so nice. Do try out this recipe. Believe me, all tea lovers, whether you're addicted to tea, you love having tea, just try this different tea recipe. It's a magical tea. It really helps in boosting your health, in boosting your immunity, in reducing weight. Totally magical drink. Enjoy your tea.